Hello guys, so today video we're gonna talk how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for printable stickers and labels businesses and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So the topic isn't here, so you can just select all templates, and in the type you can uh, select services. So this might be services, and it also might be an online store. And you can select one of these templates here. You can start with one of these templates, and also you can build your own templates here. So let's get started. Now let's go. Here you can type your business name, type any name for your business, and here you're gonna build your homepage. Build your homepage section by section, add in as many or as a few sections as you need. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section, so you have to try your best to make your site looks better and attractive. So you can do anything to make your site looks attractive and pull more customers and more people. So that's it. Now let's move on. Here you're gonna add page to your site. Choose the color palette, choose any color you like, any color match with your business. And now choose the font, choose any font. And now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So here you have to choose if you wanna continue and describe something about your website. You want to choose the writing style, or if you wanna just skip. Okay, for me I'm gonna skip this. So click here, edit, and you have to introduce now your brand, introduce your site. So you can, for example, type welcome to our site for our site for printable stickers, and labels. That's it. Here you can change the text on this label. Type anything you like. For example, gets charged. And now wait a few minutes. Now you can go to the section and edit the section. So first you can change the grid, the row count, change the gap, the section, the fill screen, the height, and the alignment. And in the background you can choose just a simple art, or if you want to choose image as a background, so delete this and add another one here. So go to the free image and search on printable stickers and labels. Okay, okay, wait a few seconds. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. For example, you can choose whatever you like. This is just for example. So this is your site. You can make anything. You see, it's much better than this. And if you want to add something new in your homepage, just click here, add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. You can also add anything on your section, text or image or video, at any place you want. You can move this section down or up, and you can save this section. Just click on this search icon. You can duplicate it from here. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So here you have to customize the wave intensity and the text size. Like this, it's much better. Here you have to delete this image and add another one. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this. The text here, you can change it. So use this space to talk about your shop and your products, how and where are they made, what make them unique. So you can describe something about your products and your website. And first you have to change the paragraph. Just click here. So in the background you can just select a simple art. You don't have to add the image as a background. Just a simple art is much better, like this. Also here, just a simple art. Tell people about who you are, your origin, your process, or your inspirations. So let's move on here. Instead of this image you can add a map. So you can add your location, your business location. So click here, and you can add the business name and the address and the city and the state and the country. Also you can change the design of the map, and in the background just a simple art. That's it. Now if you're done from designing and customizing your websites, you can go and save your this home page and go to the settings section and add the product to your inventory, and add the way to get paid. After this, choose the subscription plan, and uh, the last step is launch your online store and start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site on Squarespace for printable stickers business, easy and quick. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.